Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. So today we're going to do this cute little smoky eye look. If you're interested, stay tuned and let's get started. So first thing you want to do is prime your face. I'm using the Tarte Tinted Primer. And you're just going to want to rub that in all over. Next I'm going in with my Maybelline Dark Circle Eraser and put that under my under eyes to get rid of some dark circles. And then you're just going to want to rub this in as well. Next I'm taking my Laura Mercier eyeshadow primer and I'm putting this on the base of my eyelids. And this is gonna just help make the eyeshadow last longer. You might be wondering why we're doing eyes first. This is because I'm using glitter today, and usually glitter has a lot of fallout. Now I'm gonna go into my Laura Lee eyeshadow palette and go into Okie Dokie and put this all over my eyelid as a base color. This is gonna help with blending later. And then now I'm gonna go into a transition shade into Bomb Diggity in the same palette and put this in the crease of my eyelid and just go in this back and forth sweeping motion. Now I'm going in my Naked palette and I'm using the same crease brush and I'm going into Buck, and this is going to be another transition shade and kind of just deepening up the outer corner, and you just want to blend this in the outer corner of your eye. Then I'm going to go back into my Naked palette, go into Dark Horse with a stippling brush, and I'm going to put this in the outer corner of my eye, kind of just darkening up the area, making a shadow effect. Then you just want to keep blending it, pushing and pulling the product in the outer corner of your eye. Next we're going to go back into the palette into Creep using the same brush and once again blending in the outer corner of the eye, just deepening the color. Next I'm taking this blending brush from Origins and I'm just blending all the colors together, just going back and forth in a sweeping motion. Next I'm taking this e.l.f. eyeshadow compact in this gold color and I'm using my finger and I'm going to actually just pat this onto my eyelid. I find using your finger you're going to get a lot more pigment, and it's also good for applying glittery eyeshadows. Now going back into the same palette with an oval fluff brush, I'm going to go in this darker brown color and I'm going to go back into the outer corner and just sort of blending the dark and the gold color together, deepening the dark side too. Blending is very important with eyeshadows, so I'm just going to blend the two colors together again with the Origins blending brush. Next I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs eyeliner and line the tight line of my eye, which is underneath your top lashes, and this is just an easy way to do it, is pull back your lashes and draw on your tight line. This is a great way to just darken up the area and make it a more dramatic smoky eye effect. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I always like to do this before applying any eyeliner on top of my eyelid so that I don't mess it up, and also I'm going to be applying some fake lashes. Alright, now I'm going to take my Stila eyeliner. This is the best eyeliner out there, go get it. And then I'm just going to start lining the outer eye, trying to pull. I was in a bad habit of pulling, so I just rest my hand there now. I'm not pulling. Now the trick with eyeliner is when you take these tiny strokes to really make the line. You can't just do a straight line because your eye is rounded, so you really have to do these to make the bigger line. And now for the wing, you want to draw back towards the tail of your eyebrow. Now you just want to thicken the liner by going back and forth, just making smaller adjustments. You don't want to go too big because it's harder to erase the line. I'm not really perfect at drawing eyeliners, so I like to take either a makeup removing wipe or a Q-tip, and I kind of just wipe away the under and it makes this perfect wing. Alright, now on to foundation. So today I'm using the Maybelline Dream Cushion Liquid Foundation in Porcelain, and I'm just dotting this all over my face because I'm going to go in with my Clarisonic. Now I'm just going to use my Clarisonic to blend the foundation all over my face. And I actually wasn't getting the coverage I wanted because the foundation wasn't really liquid, it was a cushion foundation. So I ended up just going in with the Beauty Blender instead to get more coverage. Next I'm going to contour with my Maybelline Master Contour Duo Stick. I'm just going to take the contour color and contour underneath my cheekbone as well as my nose and my forehead. And this is just going to give our face a slimmer appearance. As you can tell, I also used the highlighter side and I highlighted some spots too. I'm going to go back in with my Clarisonic and I'm going to just blend all this through. I think this is an awesome tool for contour and highlighter. Next I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder and I'm just going to bake under my eyes as well as powder the rest of my face. This is just going to help with making my makeup last longer as well as making my foundation look flawless. Be careful with wearing black though because it is loose powder and it does make a mess. Next I'm going with my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer and I'm using an angled contour brush and I'm just going to go where I put the contour underneath my cheekbone, once again deepening the color and just making it look like you're tanner than you actually are. So I'm going into my little NARS compact into the blush color Orgasm, and I'm just going to use my Origins blush brush and put this on my cheekbones. Going back into the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and going into this highlighter color. I'm just going to highlight on top of my cheekbones, as well as the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown, and I'm going to take the spoolie and just brush my eyebrows and then fill it in with the other side, and I'm just going to really make this shape. I'm going to take my Too Faced Brow Envy Shaping Kit, and I'm going to take the color Blonde with an angled brush and just fill in my brows. Now I'm going to go back into the e.l.f. palette and go into the highlighter color with a very small brush, and I'm going to highlight underneath my brow bone. I'm going to very carefully apply some false lashes. If you want me to make a video on how to do this, comment down below and I might make a video. Now I'm just going to apply my favorite mascara by Maybelline, and it's the Colossal x9. Last but not least, I'm applying a lip gloss by Jessie's Girl, and it's in the color Razzle Dazzle. Just to finish it off, I'm taking this little glitter single by Wet n Wild and applying this to my lips just to make them bright and make them sparkly. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure and subscribe, like this video, comment down below, all that jazz. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.